A little bit of sunshine and being in the right place here in West Michigan meant we've got warm temperatures into the 50s today. Average highs are still in the 40s, making up for that Saturday, which was just downright bitterly cold. And let's take a look ahead. 13 weather ball is green. No change to these 50s foreseen. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Upper 40s even up north. It made 60 at Kalamazoo, and we topped out at 54 here in Grand Rapids, with our average being 44. Finally, a warmer than average day. Unfortunately, that was outside of our 3-degree guarantee. We had put 13 days in a row before we had a narrow miss here today. So far this month through the 14th of March, we're running about 3/4 of a degree cooler than average, a little bit less precipitation, just a little bit more snowfall, and a little bit less sunshine. We're going to start to move into positive territory with those temperatures here. How about a March Madness forecast bracket? Your winning forecast here for tomorrow. Skies will become sunny by middle of the day, and we'll hit another 54 here in West Michigan, at least in the Grand Rapids area. Had some filtered sunshine throughout the day today. More sunlight at the end of the day now means our high temperatures are a little bit later on in the day. We got a stationary front right over southern lower Michigan that separates the 30s and snow up to the north, with the 50s down to our south. We got very quiet weather coming up most of this week thanks to the upper level patterns. That stationary front just kind of hanging out in through here. This is in the upper levels, and we're going to see that wind continue out of the west and southwest for the next several days through at least Thursday. That means temperatures are going to be warm, if not even into the 60s for a while. Over the weekend, got a little bit of a wave coming on through that may bring us some showers Saturday night into Sunday. It looks like the storm system that was going to creep up into southern lower Michigan is trending further south. But after this week, we're going to start to cool off a little bit before we get into this warming pattern. This is starting on the 26th of March through the first 8 days of April, in case you missed it on Friday. High chances with warmer than average temperatures. By that time, we're up into the mid-50s in early April. Looks like we're going to be warmer than that. In terms of precipitation, we have an equal chance of more or less. We're right on the western edge of higher chances for more rain, and we usually get about 1.25 inches and 1.5 inches of snow during that 2-week period. Now, the forecast for tomorrow, we're going to start out with cloudy skies, but the skies will rapidly become sunny in the afternoon. A mid-40s north, that's about where you were today, around 50 in Muskegon and Holland southward. A couple of degrees cooler than today. Up north, temperatures right around 50 to the low 50s. That's a few degrees warmer than today. Again, morning clouds and some afternoon sunshine. And from the greater Grand Rapids area southward, we'll be in the mid and upper 50s, very close to where we were during the day today. 13 on your side forecast. We'll jump another 10 degrees here on Wednesday, up to 64 degrees. A few more clouds on Thursday will drop us to 61. As I mentioned, that system coming through over the early part of the weekend will cool us off to 51 Friday and 48 on Saturday. There is a chance of some rain off to the south and east of Grand Rapids as that system now is trending further south, and back into sunshine and 54 on the first day of astronomical spring. That's at 11:33 in the morning on Sunday, and back up to 62 on Monday. Next best bet for any significant precipitation will be next Tuesday and the following Wednesday, when it will be in the form of some rain.